Nungshang shnong jong ka shnong lapangap hanne ka sngi kila one tour shanong ba shilong ban penpawi ka jing persha hakmat skatriat ban dawa na ka sorkar bakade ban wengno ya ki pulit asam ki badon ha ka tain ya kini ka kanhun lawan bat senran langru da ki dukot jong ka khasi students union jantia students union bat kiwei ki kanhun Hagaba baro kala ilumlang hamalki bat hadin kata kala ya sabarik bater harangkat kejing perta persya yak sorkar kumjuru yang menteri rang ba bat sembut menteri rang ba halor kejing dawa kejungki ban weng ya ki pelit asam ki badon ha katain nagaleng jong ke sorkar ni kesngi kala khot yaki ban wan ban ikendu hagaba yaki la sanran lang dagi khot joka ki isu bat ji isu bat kumjuru da wehe shnong jakala pangap uba daimon mi lengdo hagaba yagani ke jingya kendu lang lawan bani don lang ru usembut menteri rang ba kajelau mas nyo bhalang dhar u chief secretary nang taki officer sorkar bat kumjuru na ka district adin ke meeting na kaliang jong u SP jong ka West Janta Hills u Jakpal Singh Dhanua uloong ba ka Pulit Meghalaya kala shim ya karai kan pe yak ya ka sungsuk ka sungsan jong ki nongrep hagaba nadu ka khat sau tarik ki nongrep kinyo kalat benlek shaki lengkha ki jongki ban pendap ya ka thung ka tap
this is nei benta official gi ya kajing ya kalam yang i tai bu sarkar chapi gi pai ba bianon kasaba suki hamawi ni ba usa tho ba bi gi ga ya kalam ni bu sarkar.
Dear all, this is DC West Janta Hills along with the SP West Janta Hills. Today, many farmers from Lapangam came towards Shillong to air their grievances to the government. After intense discussions which have happened with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in the presence of Chief Secretary Sir, Principal Secretary, IG Madam, IG Sir, as well as with SP Sir, and me myself and the representative from various student organizations as well as the headman of Lapangam. Amongst the discussions, what the key points have come out based on the demands or the grievances of the people, that starting from tomorrow onwards, the deployment of the SF-10 would be deployed in addition to the existing forces which are there, though which are already equal in number. Second, we will be discussing at the highest level of the government through Deputy CM Sir and the CM Sir. The matter will be taken by today itself. At the district level, me as well as SP Sir will be going tomorrow on the field to ensure that the cultivation starts well in the progress, and to ensure that the peace and everything is there. Also in the upcoming days, the peace committee would be handling again. And with regard to the negotiations that have not happened so far, because the Assam government has been formed recently and the chairman of the regional committee at the Assam side is yet to be decided. So by tomorrow onwards, once the negotiation gets happen, I believe and I firmly believe that the peace would be restored, and from our side, the cultivation would be happening and the grievances of the people would be aired out. Thank you.
Kau ajak mau, kamu kejing kejing kelamu DC West Janta Hills District.
We will not accept. We will not accept. Well, I'm very clear, loud and clear. So very loud and clear. Last year, the 144 CRPC has been imposed only for Lapangam. This year we will not accept.
1 minute.
Am I right or wrong?
Thank you. See, from Meghalaya police side, our job is to ensure that the safety and security of our farmers is maintained at any cost. So we are working towards that. We will ensure you that let us go back to our village and start our farming from tomorrow.
Tomorrow self.
Yes, sir. So I would request all of you who are here that let us go back. You have already spent a lot of time here, and government has listened to all your demands. Necessary instructions have been issued to us. So I would request all of you to let us go back and start our work in field from tomorrow morning. Thank you.
Government ka ladong la sai ka nai ka jing sanran lang ini kum kinong song te ban lai rap te ke ba ka government ka ladap ai ka saran ini kum kinong song te ni terman scam makan long kumta pada dadai bakam long punta kumbai keren mendek kador barsnong kan sim degi bai pat pirai ke bakam teng palat ban mendek kersi tang ta boleh
một năm đô la sai thì quyết định hoàn tu và sẽ đủ lần kha rồi
oh ina dole sai ka tum ke jingang jong SP lagi first boro pun pak sedi jakarep jong kenong tong man yadai kenong rati